Hey guys, Catherine here, and today is February 10th, so I'm going to be making another Valentine's Day charm. And today I would like to make a Valentine's Day charm for my grandmother. And I was thinking of her, and I thought I would like to make a butterfly for her. So I have rolled out a bit of blue, which is going to be the base color for my butterfly, and I am going to just sort of draw out a shape for the butterfly's wings. Go. I'm going to do the butterfly's wings in two different layers. So the first layer I want to do is sort of shaped like this, like a pair of ears, which is really the best way to describe it, but is not a very elegant way of describing what I am trying to draw. There we go, like funny ear shapes. All right, and then I'm going to take and cut that out now that I've established the shape that I want. Here we are. And lift that piece out from the center and just kind of smooth all of the edges back down and around to make it back to being the shape that I would like to see without dropping it too much. And then I want to do a pair of circles, and I'm just going to eyeball some circles. I don't... Oh, well, I do have that circle template. Nope, too late. Doesn't matter. There we go. Pair of circles. Cut out. There we are. Okay, and then I do want to narrow those circles at one side so that they just lightly make a teardrop shape, and place them just underneath the first set of wings. One, and teardrop shape for the other one, and the other side. There we go. And I'm putting a crease down the middle so that I can lift these up. Then I'm going to set them back down straight because I'm not done with kneading them flat yet. And I can set aside the rest of that blue, and then I'm going to take a small bit of purple because my butterfly is going to be blue and purple, and I'm going to roll it into tiny balls and set it right on the bottom wings on each side, and then flatten that down with the back of my craft blade so that the bottom is just a flat, round spot of purple. Go. I'm going to do something very similar with the top part. Excuse me. There we go. I'm going to do something very similar with the top part, but I'm going to try and see if I can't make them sort of teardrop shape on the top so that it, there we go. Just sets right on like that, and sets right on like that, and then draws from the center out to the edge. There we go. Just sort of nudging it to the position that I would like it to be. And then the same for the other side. Down to the center and then out to the edge in the shape that I would like. There we are. Oh, that's way off center. Let me move it over here. That's a little better. Then I'm going to do something very similar with 2 more bits of purple. Check those for size. There we go. Okay, and lay it on the uppermost part of the top part of the wing and roll it around until it's in a place that I like. And the same thing for the other side. And then flatten it down toward the center and then out toward the outer edge. There we are, one side, and then again toward the center and then out toward the outer edge for the other side. And then, as if that wasn't complicated enough, because really it isn't. Butterflies are pretty darn complex. There we go. I want to flatten that a little bit more, I think. There we are. Take a tiny bit of pink and roll it out. And then roll it even finer, just really down to a small little bit, just itty bitty. And then take a little bit of it and set it right at the edge. There we go. And then roll another tiny, tiny piece way out and cut it off and set it to the other edge. There we go, and another dot, because I kind of like the look of the dots around the edges of the wings. Just tiny little bits, itty bitty dots, way around the outside. There we go, and then that's pretty well decorated. This butterfly has everything but a body. So I'll take a bit of black, just a tiny little bit, and roll it out into a body and just kind of guess how thin it should be and then make it a little thinner because I'm terrible at guessing how thin these should be. Go. That needs to be shorter. Okay, there we go. That should do it for a body, I think. Actually needs to be shorter still even. There we are. And then take that tiny little bit of black that I cut off and roll it for a head and stick the head on. There we are. And then pick up the butterfly and bend it upwards so that the wings curl up around the body so that it looks like it's in flight. And then trim an eye pin, because the eye pin's going to be way too long for that little charm. So trim it up to like there. And then I think I would like it to go straight down through the head. So actually grab my thinner pliers and take and place the eye pin as straight as possible down through the head. There we go, and then check the back to make sure that it didn't go through. And it didn't. Good. And then there we have it. A tiny little butterfly charm, ready to be gifted for Valentine's Day. If you guys liked the butterfly charm, let me know. I'd be happy to hear from you. And if you didn't, let me know what you would like to see me do. I am always looking for new projects, and I would be happy to get an idea for something else that you would like to see me try. Thank you for watching, and see you all tomorrow. Bye!